The Bella Vista RV family truly cares about you and your home away from home. We carry and service a vast selection of top-quality trailers and motorhomes that will fit every lifestyle and every budget. Visit us online to see Bruno's ever-popular RV walkthrough videos.
Ceramic tiles throughout.
We're 10 minutes north of Barrie on Highway 11.
Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 Invicta 33HB. The 33HB is a bath and a half floor plan by Holiday Rambler, and the Invicta is a brand new line that's just been released to the market. Let's take a look at this great coach. What impressed me is the attention to detail up front with the projector style headlights, the LED marker lights. Now on the Invicta you can actually option in collision mitigation, which is this forward looking camera. What they also have is signal indicators on all the mirrors. Their cameras are located in the mirror, and this coach has also been optioned in with the blind spot detection. So just like your car, it's going to show the indicator in the mirror that there's a car here to the side of you. When we look at the rest of the coach from the outside, it's a beautiful partial paint. Nice large entertainment center and outside speakers. But what's also nice is the coach has been paired with the Multiplex by Precision Circuits multiplex wiring. So I have the app on our phone, so what we can actually do is if we wanted to control a variety of items, for example our awning, we can select our awning, push a button, and out comes our awning. Gone are the days of running inside, flicking the switch or yelling into your partner to open up the awning while you keep an eye out if you're in a tight camp space for some reason. Simple push of a button via the app, and our awning is out. Next, if we wanted, and I'm trying to do this one-handed, we could go to our lights, and we could say that we want our porch light on. And if we wanted as well, we could then go to our next screen and tell it, for example, we want our awning lights on. So just a nice little feature on this app as well. You can set your automatic generator start. You can take a look at your actual gauges, your battery levels, so we can see, if our fresh water's, how empty it's getting, and how full our gray and our black are getting, as well as our propane. Now, what I also really impressed me about this Invicta is that it's sitting on 22.5-inch tires with Alcoa aluminum rims, really giving it a great ride it should have. And we have large storage compartments on the outside that are full pass-through compartments. On the 33HB, there's 3 of these compartments that go all the way through. But really, let's take a look at the inside where many of us will spend so much time. When you first walk in, you'll notice a nice large dinette with wide table. You do have a window next to the dinette and then your TV above that window. The reason for that is it sits right across from your main couch, which can also be used for sleeping. We'll take a look at the cockpit a little bit later on. Let's take a look at the kitchen here. You'll notice several drawers, really good storage below. They're utilizing a farmhouse sink, all stainless steel, nice and deep, and then there are 2 beautiful corian inserts that actually can be put in. You can set half of it in, half of it out if you needed to rinse some vegetables, etc., and still use the rest of the counter for prep space. Nice large storage above, convection microwave, 3-burner range that's recessed down to countertop level, and an oven. So now you can actually have 2 cooking areas, 2 ovens. So if you are entertaining a number of people, you've got the ability to cook more. Nice large residential fridge, so when we open it up, You'll notice it's very deep and spacious, as well as our freezer section is nice and large. So when you find that deal that you're traveling on steaks, etc., you can just simply stock up. Now here's our precision circuits control panel. So you'll notice very much like our phone, all the features are found here and migrated over to the phone app, and it is a full Multiplex system, not the scaled back version that some manufacturers are using. Now, this is our guest bath. You'll notice really nice countertop space, good storage around, and they've even snuck in an additional deep set of shelves here, whether that's going to be for linens or you could have your guests put extra clothing in there. Now, what I really loved about the Invictas, and we saw this on the 34MB review that we did, is the stacking washer dryer, which has typically been found in diesels. Because this coach sits on a 22,000 pound F53 chassis, it has lots of load capacity. So they've been able to put the washer dryers in here without affecting your load capacity or your towing ability. In the bedroom, we have another slide. King size bed is on the slide with windows in the slide out to get that cross breeze. And they've incorporated the CPAP compartment here for anyone that needs a CPAP. Now, this coach is very unique because we have the king size bed on a slide out, but we also have our main slide is a full wall slide that goes all the way up to the driver's seat. You have pantries next to the fridge, a total of 10 drawers here in the bedroom, as well as your radio and Bluetooth back here. And then two very large wardrobe cabinets. Now what you'll also notice is it's set up as two, but inside it's actually one entire cabinet. No division, so you can really utilize the space to its maximum. Mirrors on the door, so if you're getting dressed, you need to check yourself out, you can do that. And then our main bath is here at the back. Really good long countertop space, storage all around, and a nice large shower. So you'll be very comfortable getting in and out using that shower. And again, the space, as I pan down to the floor, you'll notice the individual composite tile, but the space in the bedroom, very spacious with the slides out. When slides are in, of course, you have an aisleway all the way from the bed here right up front to utilize all the living features of the coach. Let's make our way up to the cockpit. What you'll notice, as I mentioned earlier, the table here in the center, but nice big supportive chairs. And this has the Alpine 10-inch screen that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Backup side view cameras, automatic leveling, all those features that you're going to want. But as I mentioned, you can option in the blind spot detection on these Invictas, which is a great feature. So many are not using it. Great if you're a brand new RVer, just give you that extra comfort. And then the forward-looking camera for the collision mitigation. Now, this unit also comes equipped with the drop-down bed. So I'm going to put our camera down, and I am going to aim it towards our bed area. And then I'm just going to reach for our keys here. And we will give you a little demonstration of our drop-down bed. So these drop-down beds are operated by a special key. What's really nice is you can take that key out and your guests will not be able to play with it, especially if they happen to be grandchildren, etc. Now, if you've watched our other videos, very similar operation. Push button brings it all the way down. Normally you're going to want to recline the seats a little bit, This bed will support 650 pounds and is a full-size queen. So we're going to go right down to about there. Typically it'll come down just a little bit lower. I'll give you a closer look at the bed. So this is a queen size. We have a memory foam mattress. Underneath right now is our netting that is tucked aside. That netting will actually go up and around the outside of the bed. So if you have any small children, you don't have to worry about them rolling forward. 650 pound support. There's a ladder, of course, to get up and down to make it easy, and even a privacy screen up at the top that'll come across and make that a nice private area. And that's just a great feature, so you're not having to pull and convert the dinette or the sofa for sleeping. But if you needed, you could also convert those areas. Well, this is Bruno saying thank you for viewing our video on the 2020 Holiday Rambler Invicta 33HB. If you like the video, please click the like button. Feel free to subscribe and you'll be notified of new videos as they're posted on great products from Holiday Rambler and other manufacturers as we go through and take a look at what's changing in the industry. So thank you for viewing our video, and I wish you a safe and happy camping season.